Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Final Cut Pro plugins and effects libraries, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your Final Cut Pro plugins and effects libraries, start by opening Finder on your Mac. Navigate to the Applications folder. Locate the Final Cut Pro app. Right-click on the Final Cut Pro application and select Show Package Contents. This action opens the contents of the application package. In the new window, find the Contents folder. Within the Contents folder, locate the Plugins folder. Copy the entire Plugins folder to a secure location. This could be an external hard drive or cloud storage for safety. Next, go back to the Contents folder. Now, find the Effects folder within it. Just like with the Plugins folder, copy the entire Effects folder. Paste it into the same secure location where you stored the plugins. Next, you will want to back up the motion templates. To locate the motion templates, go back to Finder and select Go from the menu bar. Then, choose Go to Folder. In the dialog box, type /movies. Press Enter to access your Movies folder. Inside the Movies folder, look for a folder named Motion Templates. Copy the entire Motion Templates folder to your secure location. After you have copied all the necessary folders, you now have an effective backup of your Final Cut Pro plugins and effects libraries. To restore these backups later, simply copy the folders from your secure location back to their original paths in the application. This ensures that your settings, plugins, and effects will be available when you next use Final Cut Pro. Properly maintaining backups can save a lot of time and effort in case of data loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step